Let go.
Hey, Emily, what's tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
What are we talking for?
Is tomorrow your birthday?
It's tomorrow. It's not.
Yes, it is. Tomorrow's your birthday.
It's not.
You're not
Yes,
old
it
enough
is.
to. You're not old enough to try to ignore your birthday.
It's my birthday, Daddy.
It is?
How old are you going to be? How old? Show me.
4.
No, not yet. 1 year less than that.
No, Mommy.
3? This many?
Don't do that.
You show me then. Yeah. Can you?
I want to talk to you.
You okay? Talk to me. Like that? Okay.
I will show you.
You gonna show me?
And I will talk it.
Oh.
This.
Are you gonna wear a dress tomorrow? Yeah. And we're gonna wear hair clips. Yeah. And your cute little sandals. Yeah. Whoa. Are you gonna wear a birthday hat at school when you have your cake? What kind of cake do you have? What kind of cake did Mommy make for you?
Chocolate.
Take that out. I can't hear you.
Chocolate.
Yeah. And what was it? What did it look like? What did the cake look like?
Beer.
Yeah. A chocolate bear. And it said, "Happily birthday, Emily Bear."
Missy, I'm here to show you, Mommy.
Mhm.
I will show you Daddy.
Anything else to say, Emily?
Listen, Mommy. Mommy.
Okay.